Hi, Donna Zalter. We were discussing the state of the older condos market in Miami-Dade County. Right now we have 18,000 condo units on the market. That's about a 16-month supply. These are just the older ones built before 1985. Stuff that has to either catch up with their reserves, which we have to be fully funded for by 2025, or is seeing a lot of maintenance because we're now inspecting much more often and a lot of maintenance has been deferred. So people are unable to stay in the units that they bought maybe even 20, 30 years ago because the monthly costs have gone up so significantly for them. The good news is Miami-Dade did come out with a loan program that will help these people in fixed incomes. I've attached it to this video. You can read the bullet points. I'm not going to go over it. It's very dry and very boring. But if you do need help in staying in your condo, there are now programs that will allow you to do so. I suggest you contact the Miami-Dade property appraisers website or just Google products for in Miami-Dade for helping with paying your assessments. I hope this is helpful. I wish everyone the best of luck. Thank you.